Welcome to FOMIS cost reporting. In the cost reporting module, we have the integration between Pastel and FOMIS coming to the fore. In short, as you've noticed, nowhere in FOMIS do you capture costs. The FOMIS links totally and is totally integrated to Pastel Partner. So all costs are recovered from your actual bookkeeping system, which does away with the need for having to duplicate data by re-recording costs within the system. In short, you can draw out costs by either activity, by farm, by compartment, and then you have a cost drill down, which links very closely to your chart of accounts within Partner itself. If we just had to run a few of these, if I had to select a harvesting cost center, for instance, monthly report, and we had to run it from the 1st of the 3rd, 14 to the 30th of the 4th, 14. We end up with a report which gives us all our costs per machine for the harvesting activities. Now you'll notice that this has a look at hours as well as your trees and your tons. So essentially this ends up giving you your total cost, your cost per hour, your cost per ton, and it goes right down to your cost per tree. In the case of loading or short haul, it would be cost per load, okay, as well as a little bit of graphical analysis, and that's obviously by month. Likewise, we can actually have a look at how much we're spending on a specific farm. So again, we could go monthly and run it from the 1st to the 3rd, 14. And I know we worked this farm till about June, but let's make it to the 30th of the 5th, 14. And this would give us a report per activity, okay, per month. So these are your harvesting costs, again with your cost per hour, cost per tree, cost per ton, your loading, the short haul, and so that gives you a very detailed report for the costs on the production activities for the farm. And by compartment report is very similar to that. It's just the same structure by compartment, so you can see what your costs are per compartment. With regards to the drill down, this takes a slightly different format, and you'll see it's more closely linked to your actual account structures. Okay, so on the drill down, we see that your harvesting costs are linked to your account numbers per month, okay, short haul, loading, and then your overhead costs for each activity. You can then drill down on these either by account, okay, or by amount. If we drill down by account, okay, it will give us a breakdown of depreciation per machine per month. So there's your FHE for March, April, FHE02, etc. Same with your short haul, etc. Okay. On the other hand, we could drill down on the actual amount. And that would give us what that entire amount's made up of. So it will give you your maintenance figures similarly by machine by activity. Okay, by activity by machine. Okay. Okay. At the bottom we have a summary, giving us the sort of hourly cost, quantity cost, all that sort of thing overall for the activity. So your harvesting activities costing at the moment almost 500 Rand a ton, and 5 Rand 84 a tree, and 46.97 an hour, and 46.97 a ton. Okay, we can drill down on that total as well. And that'll give you a breakdown by the machines, and once again you could drill down on that. And that would give you, by postal account, your cost per machine. Okay? So that you can see exactly what your costs are made up of, as well as your overall top-end costs, to give you an idea of the cost of your operation. The cost reporting, I think, is quite detailed, using a combination of these reports, and hopefully will enable you to monitor your costs very, very closely.